Okay, good morning, children. How are you today?
We are fine, thank you. And how are you too?
Of course, I am fine. But before we are going to start our lesson, I will show you our classroom rules. Okay, I would like everybody to read these classroom rules. Okay, number 1, everybody, 1, 2, ready, go.
Raise your hand to express ideas and answers.
Okay, did you understand the rule number 1?
Yes!
Okay, you're going to raise your hand to express ideas and answers. Okay, do not answer in chorus. 6 little ducks that I once knew, fat ones, skinny ones, fair ones too, but the one little duck with a feather on his back, he rounds the other with a quack, quack, quack. Down to the river they would go, bibble bobble to and fro. But the one little duck with a feather on his back, he rounds the other with a quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. About, okay, performing operation using MDAS rule. Before that, I would like you to take a look at on this video. Okay, try to understand and analyze.
Hi kids! Isang matatag na araw. I'm Shernoy and welcome to Math Bilang. Perform 2 different operations by applying the MDAS rules. Let's have a drill.
Okay, we will have a drill first. So, we have our contestant. So, you are going to have one step forward if the one will get the correct answer. Okay, Ian again. Next.
40.
Okay, Ian again. Okay, Apas. Okay, Ian again. Okay, how about this one?
20.
Okay, Ian again. This one.
70.
Okay, so winner is Ian. Okay, clap your hands to Ian. Everybody. Okay, next. Okay, next. Everybody read on the screen. I would like to introduce the meaning of MDAS. Okay, MDAS stands for M, D, A, and S. Then M means, what is M? D, A. I would like you to know that in the word MDAS, MD comes before AS. So, the order of operation starts with M and D. Again, what is M? D? Okay, so if you are going to solve an operation, a problem with 2 operations, you are going to start with M and D. Then after that, the next step is A and S. What is A? S? Okay. Always do multiplication and division before addition and subtraction. On the screen. 8. Who has another answer? 7. What else? 7. Okay, let's try to solve this problem. What operation is there that belongs to M or D? So, we have division. So, you are going to divide 10 divided by, okay, you are going to write this one, 4 plus 10 divided by 2. Okay. Then, you are going to start with 10 divided by 2. What is the answer? 10 divided by 2. 5. Okay. Then, you are going to put it down, bring down the other given numbers. Then, you are going to proceed with what is next? Addition. So, 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay. Did anyone get the correct answer? Yes,
No.
I will give you an activity. It is a peer activity. I would like you to answer this one by pair. Do it in 3 minutes. Three minus equals 5. 3. O, sakto na ni. Let's check your answer for number 1 from Trixie and Isabel. Which operation would be solved first? 6 times 7. Okay, what is the product of 6 times 7? Pila? 42. Then, bring down a 5. So, that is minus 5. 42 minus 5 equals 37. Okay, is it correct? Okay, clap your hands to Trixie and Harry. Okay, clap your hands to Dan. Very good. Okay, we will have another activity. It would be a group activity. I will group you into 3 groups. I give your numbers, then you are going to group according to your numbers. Then number 1 is group 1. Then all number 2 would be group 2. And all number 3 would be group 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Group 1.
Good morning, Teacher Rose. Good morning, classmates. This is our output for Group 3, and this is how we do to it. 1. 5 times 6 equals 30. We bring down the minus and bring down the 8 divided by 2. 2. We bring down the 30 and the minus, and we divide it by 8 divided by 2 equals 4. 3. 30 minus 4 equals 26. That's how we answer it.
Okay.
Good morning, Teacher Rose. Morning, classmates.
Today we are going to be showing how we answered our 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Bring down 6. Bring down 1. So then,
Bring down 4.
bring down the 4.
And then bring down the times.
Bring down times. Apilang 1 plus 6 times 4
4 equals
12.
Bring down 6, bring down the plus, and bring down 1. And the minus.
6
6 plus 12. And 6 plus 12 is equals to 18. Minus 1 minus 1
17.
equals 17. And that's how we answer our math question.
See their solution. Okay, first, they solve the division. So, 9 divided by 3 is 3, correct. Then, prefix or bring down all the given. So, 6 plus 3 times 4 minus 1. Then, next, try to take a look at the number sentence. So, you still have multiply. So, isn't it that you're going to solve the M and the D? Okay, whichever comes first. So 3 times 4 is 12. Is this correct? Okay, then put all down the given. So 6 plus 12, then minus 1. Okay, so no more multiply and divide. Then you're going to proceed addition and subtraction. Then you are going to solve from left to right. Okay, so the next step is correct. So they start from left. So 6 plus 12 is 18. Then put minus 1 down. Then lastly, you are going to subtract 18 minus 1 is 17. So group 2 is and how to solve the order of operations. What should be the first step? Who can give their idea? Mr. Go. What is next? Okay, very good. But you have to take note that you are going to solve from left to right. First, you are going to solve, multiply or divide, whichever comes first. Who understands well our lesson for today? Be hands up. Okay? Napay wala nakasabot? Okay, I would like you to say deal or no deal. If the answer is correct, you are going to say deal. But if the answer is wrong, you are going to
Say no deal.
thumbs down for no deal. Number 1. Is it a deal or no deal? Okay, deal. Next. Next. Okay, you are going to solve for each number. Then you are going to match. It is a matching type. You are going to match the number that corresponds to the correct answer. Then you have your choices from A, B, C, and D. Okay, let us check your answers. Class, did you learn something today?
Yes!
That's it for today and goodbye.
Goodbye and thank you, Teacher Rose.